construction is crazy because when you're doing production construction, there's so much work to do. There's so many projects to do. You have a contract that's set for a specific scope of work. Like, you're only obligated to do so much of that work. I was on a job in over here, one of our projects, and the painter, I bet you his contract was maybe, I don't know, a $900,000, maybe $1 million contract for this property, and he had over $400,000 in change orders. That's almost half of his contract price. Could you imagine if he just did his normal contract work, the $900,000, but then he did an additional $400,000 worth of work for free? Like, you can't do that. And so money is in the contract work, in the change order work. We actually did some work for these guys right here not too long ago. But that's production work, by the way. But yeah, man, it's crazy. If you're ever on a construction site, if you're trying to get into this industry, the construction industry, the production industry, you're trying to become a contract cleaner, you're trying to become a construction cleanup, drywaller, painter, maybe you're already in the business and you're doing residential right now. You know, you're just kind of like making things happen, you're getting little jobs here and there. But you ever want to get into big projects? I mean, I know even in residential, they have change orders and stuff. But when you're working on a production property, you got like 4 superintendents, 2 project managers, and they're making requests of you on a daily basis. And they're saying, oh, we need this, oh, we need that. So an example, just yesterday, we had a project manager call us and say, hey, we need some more manpower out here because we need to have this whole 4th floor done, which is like 50 hotel units. They need to get done, and I think we had like 30 or 40 left. Typically we can do like 10 a day, so that's like a way above what our normal production would be. And they're like, we need you out here right away, we need to get this done by the end of day Wednesday because we got carpet installs coming in on the hallways. And we're like, fuck, you know, like this is crazy. Like, you know, you're gonna be installing one side of the hotel's carpet, so why not give us at least till the end of day Thursday? But you don't argue with them, you just do it. So now you got to run over there, fix the problem for that day to get production caught up, and send more manpower or yourself or whatever's going to fix that problem. And then at the end of the day, I tell them the situation, and they're like, oh yeah, you know what? They are only going to be working on one side of the building, so you do have till Friday. So it's crazy because the construction industry as a whole, if you don't have somebody that's good at putting fires out in this business or battling contractors or superintendents or anything like that, you're not going to you'll make money, but it's going to be tough because you need somebody out there that can bootstrap it and you know, stick up for themselves, because these guys will walk all over you, man. They will walk all over you. They will request shit of you. They will ask shit of you. I mean, some of these companies are nice and they'll help you and everything else. But when you have so many people that are in authority and they're missing so much information, I'm actually bidding on this project right here. This one's just going up right now. It's going to be like a 100-unit multifamily project, actually. I just met the project manager the other day. But the big thing is like, you got to stay on your shit. Keep your documentation in order. Like, keep your business in order. Like, what we're doing right now in our business is we're structuring it. I haven't made one of these videos in a while because I've been so fucking busy with running my business. Like, I think a lot of you guys maybe that watch some of our content and stuff, it's fun and everything, it's cool and it's like motivational and you guys want to be inspired. And for the longest time we for like 6 months straight we were on it, like new content all the time. We kind of dropped down a little bit because I got so busy. I was so busy with the actual business, and the thing is the business comes first. You know, that's your business. Any one of you guys that are in the service business or a construction or whatever it is, that's thinking about opening a second business, I mean, honestly, it's so hard to just run the one fucking business. You better be ready to run that second business, you know? And here, what I have with producing this content and Overcomer Academy, which is our other business, it's a long play. We're continuing to push this content out. We're continuing to make this stuff happen, but at the same time, we have to prioritize. And running a business like this can be really, really tough sometimes. You know, you have to be on it. And what I'm going back to, there goes my ADD again, is we need to, what we are doing in our business is we are structuring our business in a way that's going to create so much operational organization that it's going to make our business incredible. Okay, like imagine if you're running one site, just one production site that's like a 200 unit property, okay, and this is for all you construction guys out there, or even if you're a window cleaner or a pressure washer or any service business, okay, and you're just doing maintenance contracts, right? If you have multiple sites, that means you have multiple teams and you have leadership and structure and all these things going on, and every single one of these projects needs a little bit of your attention. And imagine just dealing with one construction site where they're demanding all of this stuff of you, of like, oh, we need you to do this, we need you to do that. You need to know what's going on with your contract, like what is in your contract, so you know exactly what to do.